Now it's about 10 meters. It's about 20 meters now. Hello everyone. This is an HDMI to wireless UVC converter. The HDMI transmitter is connected to the camera. Let's say this is GoPro Hero 7. I'm going to plug the HDMI into it. Convert to this UVC. This UVC is wireless. It is possible to connect to our computer. I'm on this receiver end of my computer. I'm going to improve this one wireless UVC receiver after that. Connect it to your computer. Because my desktop doesn't have enough USB ports, so I wear one more hub. If you have enough USB ports, you can just plug it in. You see, this place has a place for power. You're connected to the power supply, whatever you want, and then make your own receiver and connect it to this computer. That's it. At this time, turn on the computer OBS. Then, I add a new video device. This video device. Then go grab it. There's a one called USB 3. If you catch it, you'll see something like this. And then there's this one on the transmission side. I'm going to connect with camera. Transmit this HDMI to it. I used this GoPro's camera for testing. This is the GoPro Hero 7. Turn on the power. If you have used Hero 7, you know that its HDMI output is micro HDMI. You have to prepare this micro to HDMI cable. To be honest, I hate micro HD. Micro HDMI will definitely be defeated later. It's hard to use. But now HDMI output is all big. There is no use of small ones. Pick it up like this. And then this HDMI transmission terminal needs power supply. I'm ready for a power bank. Pick it up here. Turn on the power. Turn on the power here. Then, connect the source of the HDMI. Connect when it comes up. When you see it, the screen will automatically disconnect. That's what it turned out to be. This is the transmission end of HDMI. Then, that end is the receiver end of the laptop's UVC. I'm now using a phone to make recording for OBS. I'm going to actually test this GoPro Hero 7. How far can it be transmitted indefinitely? I started recording. Okay, let's actually go out and have a look. Now it's about 10 meters or so. It's about 20 meters now. Let's go back and look at this transmission distance. It's there to 20 meters. Now it's about 5 meters. I just tested the wireless transmission distance of this GoPro Hero 7. Actually, I didn't test any obstacles. That is to say, this Hero 7, I went to that park. At the time of transmission to the receiving end of this computer, there are no walls to block it. It's all in a straight line. If this GoPro Hero 7 has one eye on this side, this eye can actually see directly. This one is the receiver. This is called no wall blocking. If you have a wall, then the effect is definitely not good. You may want to buy some more upscale ones. This HDMI is a module for wireless transmission. In the ray transformation, that's it. This method can only be used in this very open area. And there is no block of this building. I've measured it at about 20 meters. If there is a block, that distance must be bad. It's going to be unstable. I would like to explain this to you. As for the speculation, everyone has to guess. Say this thing is a string of things. If you know the answer, you can let me know in the comment area.